Which animal is the largest land mammal? B. Elephant. What do pandas mainly eat? B. Bamboo. Which bird can mimic human speech? B. Parrot. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? C. Lion. What is the fastest land animal? C. Cheetah. Which animal has a long neck? C. Giraffe. Which mammal lays eggs? C. Platypus. What do frogs use to jump? B. Legs. Which animal is known to laugh? C. Hyena. Which bird is the symbol of peace? B. Dove. Which animal has black and white stripes? B. Zebra. Which fish is known to blow up like a balloon? C. Puffer. Which sea creature has 8 legs? D. Octopus. What is a baby dog called? B. Pup. Which bird can fly backwards? C. Hummingbird. Which animal carries its home on its back? A. Snail. Which insect produces honey? B. Bee. Which animal is a reptile? B. Snake. Which animal is the largest in the ocean? A. Whale. What is the group of lions called? C. Pride. What do you call a male deer? A. Buck. Which bird lays the largest egg? C. Ostrich. Which animal is known for changing colors? C. Chameleon. Which animal is known for its humps? B. Camel. What is the national bird of India? C. Peacock.